Hey, check it out. I wanted to come out before the thunderstorms hit. I'm going to try to mow a little bit. I want to show off my new 80-meter beam. See it? Now, I've been confused. The hell is that thing? I thought, well, it's kind of like an off-center fed dipole. That's the short leg. The long leg would be all the counterpoise wire mess. So it's off-center fed. It's two poles. And then I started thinking, well, I'm not using it in end-fed half-wave mode. I'm using the 4-to-1 tap on the hot twins in there, right? But the thing is, it's not quarter. If I were using it in quarter wave mode, I figured, well, it would be a little under a quarter wavelength long, right? But it's not. It's way longer than that. But it's not a half wave on 80 meters. I measured it and I did the math. It is 0.76 wavelengths long on 80 meters right now. So I start thinking, well, it really is an inductively base loaded, end fed, quarter wave vertical that's just happened to be laying on the ground right now, but 0.76 wavelengths long. You know what that means. It's a 3-element colinear phased array for 80 meters, pointed beaming due west straight into Jim's house. The antenna comes down, it's gonna grow. We got serious testing to make.